Hello my dear students, once again I welcome to you all in online class. So students, in our previous video we already discussed about proteins and also about the carbohydrates. Okay, so today we are going to talk about denaturation of proteins. Okay, denaturation of protein. Understood? Now, so all proteins present in biological system, all proteins present in biological system have their specific nature, their specific structure, okay, configuration, and have their own biological activity. Okay, so all proteins have native structure and activity are called native proteins. Okay, so when such native proteins suffers some physical changes like increased temperature, addition of solvent, or chemical change, that is addition of acid or base in protein, hydrogen bonds which connect different polypeptide chains breaks. Okay, due to why they breaks? Because due to the globular protein scatters. Okay, globular protein scatters and helical structure of fibrous protein destroyed. That's why the chain of polypeptide, that's why the polypeptide chain breaks because of the scattering of protein, and helical structure of fibrous protein is destroyed. That's why. Okay, so now biological activity of protein loses and protein gets coagulated. This phenomenon is called denaturation of protein. Okay, this whole phenomenon is called as the denaturation of protein. Understood? Okay, so thus the process which cause change in biological activity or properties due to physical change to protein is called denaturation. Okay, so now the effect of denaturation. Okay, what are the effects of denaturation? Okay, so secondary and tertiary structures of proteins denatured, but primary structure remains unaffected. Okay, only the secondary and tertiary structures of protein denaturated, but the primary structure remains as it is. Means it is unaffected. Okay, now actively of protein, the activity of protein in biological processes get destroyed. Okay, in the denaturation, and also the entropy. Now students, what is entropy? Okay, what do you understand by this? So entropy means randomness. Okay, it means randomness. Okay, so the entropy of protein molecules increases, means the randomness in the proteins, in the protein molecules increases. Okay, so that's why the denaturation will happens. Okay, that's why the denaturation process happens. Understood? Now denaturation may be reversible or irreversible type. Okay, it may be reversible also or irreversible also. Okay, so example of irreversible denaturation. So when egg is boiled, the soluble albumin globular protein present in it changes to insoluble fibrous white protein. Okay, now conversion of milk into curd by bacteria. Second, protein denatured by reversible denaturation can be again converted into general protein by removing the effective factors. This phenomenon is called renaturation, not denaturation. This whole phenomenon is called renaturation. When protein denatured by reversible denaturation and can be again converted into general protein by removing the effective factors. This phenomenon is called the renaturation. Understood? Okay. So students, that's all for today. In our next video, we'll discuss about the enzymes. Okay. Thank you.